Hello teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can create a quiz for your students. So let's start. First of all, you have to open the Microsoft Teams app. I'm using the desktop app. So here you have to click on Assignments tab. Then by clicking on Assignment tab, it will ask you to choose the class for which you are going to create the quiz. So one demo class which I have created for this video only. So I'm going to choose this. So in that way you can choose your particular class. So click on next. Then after that you will get create option. So you have to click on this create option. Assignment quiz from existing. Assignment is for the descriptive one which I'm not going to choose right now. From existing means if you have already created the assignment, then you can choose from there also. Okay, but right now I'm focusing on quiz, so I have to click here. So let it open. So you can see here are the previous assignment which I have already created, so you can choose from here also. Okay, but right now I'm going to create the new form, so you have to click over here. When you click over here, it will switch to the browser automatically. In mine end, my account is already logged in, so it directly open the Microsoft Forms. But in your end, it will open a window where you get started. When you click on that, then they will ask you to log in there. So you please log in with your Microsoft account. After that, you will get this interface. Okay. So here you have to click on new quiz. When you click on new quiz, here is an untitled quiz. First of all, give the title to your quiz. So I'm giving HTML basics. Then if you want to apply the image for this, you can apply insert image. Then image search. Say I'm going to search from here computer. So these are the matched result for this. So I'm going to choose this one. Then click on add. If I click on add, the picture will be added in front of this title. OneDrive is your Microsoft Cloud. Okay, then is upload. If I click on upload, then it will ask you to browse from the system. You can browse also, it's your wish. But right now I'm going to choose this one only, so click on add. Now you see picture has come. Okay, so in description, if you want to give, you can give, say I'm giving each questions is compulsory. Then after that, click on add new to add the questions. So here you can choose the text category, rating category, choice, because I have to create the quiz, so I'm going to click on this choice option. Then here you type your question. Say which of the following is not an empty tag. Okay, so the first option, say BR, then is a second option, say HR, then is a third option, say image, then there is a fourth option, let's say. So this is my correct answer, so you have to click this. Okay, this is the correct answer. Then in front of that you have to give point. How many point do you want to give for this question? So I'm going to write 1 because it's 1 point. Then if this question have multiple answer, then you have to enable this option, because after that you can choose the other correct one also. But in my question there is a only correct answer, I'm not going to enable this. Then there is a required. So must enable this option, because required means this is mandatory to attempt. So I can tell you, please enable this. Let the student attempt the questions. Okay. So required, then same, you have to click on my question is added. So you have to click on add new. Then again choice. Now you see whatever the settings I have done for the previous question, then same it will follow here. Then the second question I'm going to choose, which of the following is, which of the following will display the text in largest size. Then say H1, then option 2 is H2, then is H3, then the last option is H4. So my correct option is this one, so I have to click over here. Then so same setting I told you, this is also 1 point. So in that way, if you want to add the new one, so again you have to click add new, then click on this choice. So in that way you can add the multiple questions. So if you want to delete the question, you can delete also. Click on delete questions. If you want to copy the question, because this question you want to copy, you can copy also. So I'm not going to copy, so because I don't want to create further for you. So in that way you can create the multiple question by clicking on add new. So right now I'm not going to create any question further, so I'm going to delete this one. So just you can see I have created these two questions only, so you can create multiple also. But one thing I want to tell you here is, teachers, after creating your form, means after creating your quiz, you will not get any save option here. This form is auto saved. You can see also HTML basics saved, because it is auto saved form, so you no need to do anything. So after finishing, you just close this. Okay. So now in that way, till now I just created the form, it is not assigned yet. अब मुझे assign करना है form. Then how you can assign? Again you have to click on this create, then again quiz, then you can see the form which I created just now, it is here, that is HTML basics. Means after creation, when again you have to click, जब आप क्रिएट पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको ये फॉर्म आपका मिल जाएगा. मीन्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फर्स्ट टाइम यू हैव टू क्रिएट द फॉर्म. फॉर्म क्रिएशन के बाद जब आप दोबारा क्रिएट पे आओगे, फिर आपको ये ऑप्शंस मिल जाएगी. मीन्स द फॉर्म यू क्रिएटेड विच इज I have created, so it is available here, so I have to choose this one. Now click on next. Now you see after that this wizard will open. Now here this is the title, this is the instruction if you want to give, and this is my demo form. Okay, HTML basics for demo class. Okay, this is 2 point possible, because you know that I have created only 2 questions, so I have given 1 marks to each, so it's a 2 point possible. Now it's a assigned to. By default, whatever the class you choose, it will assign to that class only, so I chose that demo class. So if you want to assign to other class also same assignment, then you can choose from here. You have to click, then you can select the class, say 9a plus 2c4, I just gave you the examples. So I'm not going to assign, so just click untick. So in that way you can assign to the multiple. Then as all student, you want to assign to the all student of this class, or you can assign to the particular student also. Okay, now this is the deadline, date due. Okay, you can change with the help of calendar. Okay, so in that way you can choose this one. Then is a post assignment notification to this channel. I'm going to edit this. देखो why this is really very important, because you know that when you create the assignment, आप स्टूडेंट को किस चैनल पे नोटिफिकेशन भेजना चाहते हो, it is very much important, because right now I have created only one channel for this class, that is maths only. That's why it appears only maths and general is by default जो already होता है वहाँ पे. ठीक है, so you can choose, obvious you have to choose your respective channel. You can choose science 1 can choose science, SST can choose SST. So in that way, so right now I'm going to choose general because I don't have the particular respective channel, so I just choose this general. Okay, then done. Means student will get the notification in the general channel. अगर आपने मैथ्स चूज किया है तो मैथ्स वाले में नोटिफिकेशन जाएगा असाइनमेंट का. सो इन दैट वे, सो आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन असाइन. So when you click on assign, now you see it is assigned to the student. After this, when you click on assign, student will get the notification. You can see that here is a notification has come. Same way student को भी उसकी ऐप के ऊपर notification चला गया है. So in that way you can assign the assignment or quiz which I have created. So now let me show you. Say I'm going to click on Teams, say demo class. So you can see one is there. So देखिए इस journal tab में the assignment is here which I have created for this class. So you can view assignment. Now I'm going to tell you how it will come to student end. So you have to click on student view. तो स्टूडेंट को ऐसे व्यू दिखेगा. मींस इन द जनरल टैब दे विल सी दिस HTML बेसिक, देन दिस वन. सो स्टूडेंट विल क्लिक ऑन दिस असाइनमेंट, देन you can see in computer it will look like this, in mobile it will look like this. Okay, ये स्टूडेंट एंड का बता रहा हूँ आपको मैं. तो कंप्यूटर, so this is the one which of the following is not an empty tag, so this is my correct answer. Then is a this one is my correct answer. So just click on submit. When you click on submit, so you see your response was submitted. This message will appear on the student end. Then student, if they want to see the result, mobile end पे ऐसे आएगा, your response was submitted. अगर उसको रिजल्ट देखना है तो they have to click on view results. So you can see 0.2 out of 2. So in that way student can see their result immediate after submitting the response. So I hope this video is clear to you that how you can create a quiz for your class. So thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.